Struggling with low AdSense earnings? Whether you are facing approval issues, low payouts, or just want more control, there are plenty of alternatives to explore. Don't worry, today I'll show you some of the best alternatives that could boost your earnings and offer better flexibility. Make sure to stay till the end to discover a best method that's super easy to implement. Hello guys, welcome to Digital Ank YouTube channel. I'm Nandakishore. If you're new around here, please subscribe to Digital Ank YouTube channel for more valuable tips on digital marketing. So let's get started. When I first started blogging, I was super excited to monetize with Google AdSense. I thought, this is it. My blog is finally going to make money. But after getting approved, I came to know about the reality. The earnings were nowhere near to what I expected. I was barely making a few dollars a month. And with the AdSense $100 payout threshold, I'd never actually see any of that money. Another thing is that when you face any sort of issues, Google AdSense doesn't have a dedicated manager to solve your queries, and you should solve them by yourself. Honestly, it was frustrating. I kept exploring if there were any other options out there for small or medium-sized blogs. But that's when I started looking into the alternative ad networks. And guess what? I found better alternatives. Not only I find platforms that offered more flexibility and higher earnings, but they were also way easier to get approved for. That's why I'm here today to share with you all the best alternatives to Google AdSense that can help you maximize your blog's potential and finally start seeing real profits. Now, Google AdSense is one of the most popular ways to monetize your blog, but wait, definitely that's not the only option out there. In fact, depending solely on AdSense can actually limit your earnings. What many bloggers don't realize is that diversifying your income streams through different ad networks and monetization strategies can be much more profitable. By exploring alternatives, you can find platforms that are better suited for your niche, have higher payout rates, and offer more control over how you earn from your content. So let's dive into the best Google AdSense alternatives that can help take your blog's revenue to next level. Number 1, Ezoic. Ezoic is one of the most popular ad network partners for which you can easily get approved. They make it easy for smaller publishers to join because they don't have traffic requirements for their entry-level package, and they offer several features that make it easy for beginners to get started. Tech support for the initial setup. Ezoic teams will help you implement a basic ad setup when you join. A self-serve platform which you can use to adjust some of your ad format settings. You will get a WordPress plugin to help you get started quickly. This makes Ezoic a good platform if you want to switch from AdSense. Ezoic prefers to partner with websites that are rich in content and informational. However, Ezoic doesn't work with e-commerce or corporate sites, but blogs attached to e-commerce sites may be an exception. You get paid if your balance is above $20 or above, and you'll get 90% of the ad revenue. That's great. If your website is getting about 10,000 monthly traffic, then you should apply for Ezoic ad network. Number 2, Media.net. It is the second largest contextual advertising network in the world by revenue. It's a direct competitor to AdSense, offering exclusive access to searches from Yahoo and Bing. Major brands like CNN, Forbes, and Reuters use Media.net to monetize their content. It helps publishers serve relevant ads for native display, mobile, or video. Media.net doesn't have a minimum traffic requirement, but higher traffic websites are generally approved faster. However, third-party sources say that publishers should have a reasonable number of visitors per month. If you're not sure how to place the best ads and improve the performance, then you can get help from Media.net support team to place the ad that perform better and brings higher revenue. And you get paid when you reach the minimum payment threshold of $100. The majority of the traffic should come from United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. Number 3, Mediavine. Another great premium ad network is Mediavine. Let's say your website starts getting 50,000 monthly traffic based on Google Analytics report, then you should consider applying for Mediavine. Just like any other ad network requirements, your content should be original, unique, and long-form engaging content in any niche. As a publisher, you'll be assigned a dedicated manager to solve your query and provide better solutions to ad placements. You receive 75% of the gross proceeds from the ad revenue paid by the advertisers. The majority of the traffic should come from United States. So go ahead and start applying for Mediavine if your website is getting 50,000 monthly traffic. Number 4, Raptive, previously AdThrive. Again, this is one of the biggest ad networks in the world they provide tailor-made ad management to take your blog earnings to the next level. Higher RPMs guaranteed. They'll work with you to set your revenue goals and choose the best ad categories and layouts for you and your audience. Raptive's requirements are straightforward. You must have Google Analytics installed with a minimum of 1 lakh monthly page views. The majority of the traffic should come from the US, Canada, UK, Australia, or New Zealand. And obviously, your content should be unique and original that engages the audience and be a great fit for the advertisers. If you want to install the ads on your own, you can. However, their dedicated team helps you to set up the ads and monitor the performance and share proactive suggestions to make sure your earnings are as strong as possible. Raptive shares 75% of the ad revenue to the publishers. If your blog is getting 1 lakh monthly page views, then you should definitely consider Raptive Ad Network. Here we go, the bonus method you all been waiting until now, direct ad sales. Let me explain this in simple terms. As the name suggests, direct ad sales is a one-on-one deal between publishers and advertisers, cutting any middleman, ad network, SSP, DSP, or any other ad agency, allowing you to sell ad space directly. During the early days of advertising, direct deals were the only way for publishers to make revenue. By this method, you are eliminating the so-called middlemen and directly dealing with the advertisers. Going direct to advertisers significantly reduces the risk and enables you to serve safe ads on your website. The ability to sell ad space directly gives you the freedom to evaluate campaign creatives beforehand. This lets you check the contextual relevance and ensures the ads don't negatively impact your site's experience. And there you have it, the best alternatives to Google AdSense. Let me know in the comment section which ad network you applied to and what's your experience. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and help them earn more with blog monetization. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Digital Anke for more valuable tips on blogging and digital marketing. Drop your questions or share your blogging journey in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram at @digital_RNK for more valuable tips on digital marketing. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.